These are not great brows. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Will I be able to make a YouTube video without my MacBook Pro? Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about the Venus 3 palette, this beautiful purple palette, which I have many thoughts about. And I wanted to apologize, the editing and the backdrop, everything's going to be a little different today because on Saturday my MacBook Pro died. I uploaded my video about job interview makeup and my laptop died afterwards. Completely, kaputsky. It is not turning on, there are no lights. I took it into the Apple store and it's $1,300 to repair it because I can't use Apple Care because there's moisture in there because children. We're using my phone and we are using my blue wall today to talk about the Venus 3 palette. Sorry about the changes. Please stick with me. I can't wait to tell you what is going on. I was very excited to get this palette. It is so pink and so beautiful and I found it at Winners and I think I got it for $25 and it had a crushed color. Okay, so Rapture was crushed, so they were able to offer that discount, which was wonderful because makeup is expensive, especially when you're first starting. It's very intimidating trying to figure out what's a reasonable amount to pay and how much do you need and all that sort of thing. So there's Dreamy, Beam, Heavenly, Rapture, Ecstasy, Paradise, Bliss, and Rapture. So that's how they swatch on my arm. Just try these on my lids. I am not going to use any primer. This is just a little bit of foundation and see how this goes. Okay, I've been using this palette a lot and right out the gate, I'm going to tell you that I really struggle with applying these colors. Okay, but I'm going to give it a go. So I'm going to start with Dreamy all over my lids. Okay, I'm using my artist brush, very densely packed, which is wonderful for this. So the pigment is nice and it is very strongly pigmented. It's a very soft, pretty kind of pink, right? And it is placing very nicely. So that's good. I'm gonna try and follow the shape of my eye and just make sure I'm covering my lids and not going too far off the beaten track, which is very easy to do, I find. Now I'm gonna go into my crease. Why don't we go in with Ecstasy? This I might regret, but we're gonna go for it. Again, it is some powder going on there, which is good. Nice pigmented color, so it's gonna lay on really nicely. Okay, I'm just going right along my crease, very gently, trying to build it up slowly. Oops, if I can. Oh dear, and I've done it again. You know you're doing makeup with violet when I over apply, but whatever, we're just not gonna add anymore and we're gonna very gently try and place it evenly on both sides. Right, and we're going to stroke back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And go in circles like this. And hopefully the color we laid on first is allowing us to blend and it's looking like it is, which is great. Okay, so there we go. I tried to halo look and let's do Beloved on the outer corner and inner corner. But I really want to see if I can figure out a way to love this palette because so far I haven't been doing a great job with it and I've had some concerns. Okay, so I'm packing it on outer V. Right. So it's packed on pretty good. And I go in the inner corners. I kind of like the depth and the shimmery texture and the interesting shape that you get from halo eyes, so I'm still experimenting with them, but I think this could work. We'll see. It's very subtle, except for when I do that, that's not subtle. And yeah, I mean, it's just, that's a really light color. Maybe I need to blend it in a little bit and add something darker. What do you guys think? Read in the comments below how you guys would use this palette because right now I'm really struggling to find a way to make the colors exciting on the eye. I really struggle with pinks. When I was little I had pink eye. I think that is probably why. Yeah, we're gonna go full on dark purple Paradise. See what happens. It's gonna be good times. And not much happened. There we go, that's better. So it's my understanding that purple is just are hard to do right. And I know I was using, that's my Pleasure purple palette from ColourPop, and then my baby threw it on the ground and crushed most of it. So here we are with Venus 3, who's not been sabotaged as of yet. Nothing like losing your laptop to kind of put a kink in your production system. So yeah, I can't afford to replace that right now. So it dip in, dip beam, because I definitely am gonna be doing that. Go into my inner corner with Rapture, of course, because that's the color to do. Oh my gosh. All right, well, I'll go on with this. We're gonna do under the eyes with the purple some more. We're gonna put on some eyeliner. That's what today is all about. You gotta keep on keeping on. All right. And I've got my Blossoms highlighter. I'm just gonna use, oopsies, the middle shade Lavender because it seems appropriate for this pinky purple dreamy Venus 3 palette. So here we go. And that is to start. We can escalate things a little bit. My problem with this palette is it is very pinky purpley, and I think those are really difficult colors to do well, and they're not the most wearable because I feel like if I went to the grocery store with my makeup like this, I would be a little bit self-conscious, and I don't think that I would feel comfortable wearing this to a non kind of makeup artistry profession, and as my application skills aren't great, it's kind of challenging for me to be confident with this look, all right? Because I feel like the more bold the color, the more skillful you have to be at applying the product. That being said, I really do like the Limecrime formula. I think the textures are beautiful. I think the colors are beautiful. And I do think that, the packaging really drew me in for this one. It's just so beautiful and it looks so nice in a makeup collection. Now, that's not to say I'll never wear this look, but I think it has to be kind of a Valentine's Day look, honestly. Or maybe it'll be fun in the middle of summer. Or if you've got like a cute outfit that you want to look extra girly, I think the pink is good too. And it is very flirty and it is very feminine, but it is not an everyday look, that is for sure. What do you guys think of this palette? Do you think the colors are super easy to work with? Because I mean, you might really like working with pinks and purples. Can you link below or tell me what kind of looks you've done? Because I would love to see some more. Sometimes you just have a beautiful palette. I really struggled this week because everyone was caught up with the hoopla about the Anastasia Riviera palette, and I'm thinking to myself, am I going to be one of those YouTubers who just vlogs about whatever is hip and cool with the kids every single week? And I thought to myself, no, I can't do that because that's too expensive, and I am looking for a job right now. You can judge me if you like. It's okay, I can take it. Please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. I am hoping to grow something wonderful here. And yeah, I'm feeling a little worried now. I don't have my laptop to edit. So let me know if you thought this looked okay, if this format is okay. What kind of tips do you guys have for filming and editing on your iPhone? Let me know, because this is going to be a challenge. I'm always excited for a challenge, but this was not one I signed up for. So tell me about your MacBook combustion stories, and let's just continue on with our lives now.